Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. How to make money? The 8 way. 8 way make money. How to make money online? The 8 way. There are the many ways to make money online. Here are some popular methods. The lot of way how to make money, but you are the popular method number 8. Number 8, stock trading. You can buy and sell stock online through the platform like Robinhood or Eat, etc. etc. You can search on Google, Yahoo, the lot of provide the stock trading companies. Number 8, stock trading. You can buy and sell stock online through the platform like Robinhood, Eat. You can more site than searches on Google. You can provide the lot of site, but the recommended the Robinhood, Eat, the trustable site is the marketplace. Number 7, online course. If you can have experience in the practical field, your career on online course and sell it through the platform like Amberi, Tedbird, Skillshare. You can take online courses as the digital marketing, your own countries, international countries, the school, A level, O level, 0 level, etc. etc. The number 7, the online courses you have expertise and practical field. You can take and create a online course and the sale throughout the platform Skill, Udemy, Trambar and Skillshare. There you can skill hand, you can provide your own country. The Zoom uses your online courses as like digital marketing, education, spoken English, lot of knowledge courses you're sharing. Number 6, the very important, the number 6, the blogging. You can make money by starting a blog, and monetization is through advertising, sponsor, quote and affiliate marketing. Remember, blogging marketing is a very excellent marketing. The lot of how to make money, the month 1,000 to 10,000 income, the blogging, YouTube partner, advertising and affiliate marketing. You can start very easy and simple work blogging as like your hands-on phone, smartphone and computer and camera. Start now the blogging. The lot of make money, the blogging. As like example, YouTube, Facebook Shorted, video maker, lot of work. Number 5, e-commerce. You can sell product online through the platform like Easy, eBay, Amazon. You can create the own online store using platform like Shopify. Number 5, e-commerce. You can sell product online through the platform like Easy, eBay, Amazon, platform Shopify. Number 4, online tutorial. If you have experience in the practical subject, you can offer your service and as an online tutorial on platforms like Chegg, Tutor and Skooli. Number 3, affiliate marketing is the second point, the very important part, the affiliate marketing. you can earn commission by program of people's the products or service. You can sign up the affiliate program. We can commission link Amazon, eBay, Clickbank. It suggest best of affiliate site Amazon, eBay, Clickbank. CGA, Commission Junction. Number 2, the important part of online survey. It is a very simple and easy work. Lot of people, the world, the European, Asian, the survey work. Survey, you can need it. The lot of trusted survey company. The search on Google, you can provide lot of survey company. You selected the best company, choose this work start. Online survey, you can earn money by complete survey for make research comprehension. Some popular survey site including Swagbucks, Survey, Vindale Research. Okay. Number 1, the best of the type of the worldwide, the people, the work, the freelancing work. If you have a skill that you can offer as a service, such as writing, graphic design, website development, social media management, social media marketing, you can offer service on freelancer platform like the best site Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. Again repeat, the freelancing, if you have a skill you can offer as a service such writing, graphic design, website development, social media management, social media marketing, content creation, video editing, script writing, etc., etc. You can offer the service, the freelancer platform, Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer. Again, the repeat, the 8 way how to make money of online. Friends, the lot of way how to make money the online platform. I can suggest every people, every student, every freelancer, the how to make money, the 8 way, the trusted 8 way. Number 1, freelancing. Number 2, online survey. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Number 4, online tutorial. Number 5, e-commerce. Number 6, blogging. Number 7, online course. Number 8, stock trading. Thank you very much. Best of luck. You can practice, try to how to make money, lot of 8 way.